How do you talk to students about bullying in a way that really sticks? You don't just tell them, you help them feel it. Hi, I'm Tom Knight, and I create interactive school assemblies that combine music, storytelling, and multimedia to explore themes of kindness, empathy, and standing up for others. Through catchy original songs, engaging visuals, and audience participation, students see real-life situations and learn how small acts of kindness can make a really big difference. It's especially well-suited for grades 2 to 4, but also works well as a K-5 whole school assembly. Some schools choose to pair this with Library Boogie for younger students, so each group gets a program that fits them best. I also provide a teacher's guide and a YouTube playlist of the songs so you can extend the message beyond the assembly. October is National Bullying Prevention Month, and this program is a great fit for that time of year. With over 35 years of experience performing for elementary schools, I know how to engage large groups while still creating moments that are personal and meaningful. If you're looking for a program that supports your SEL goals while truly connecting with your students, then I'd love to bring Upstander to your school.